It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Lesson Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakubu right here, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to compress your audio file online for free, step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post valuable content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to compress or reduce your MP3 or audio file size using free online tool. Then make sure you come to your browser right here and type in onlineconverter.com. So it's going to take you to this particular web page. Then make sure you come to audio converter section right here. Then you have to come to audio tool. Then you have to look for compress MP3. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on choose file. So I'm going to use this particular file size right here. The file type is MP3 file, which is also known as audio file. Then the size here is 12.3 megabytes. So I'm going to select on the file. Then having selected the file, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on open right here. Now the file has been uploaded successful on the site. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on the options right here. I'm going to put it in best quality. Then I'll click on convert. After a successful conversion, then you have to click on download now right here. Then your download file is going to be prepared right here, just like what you see right here. Alright, so you can see the final file size now has been successfully compressed into 5.8 megabytes. So from 12.3 to 5.8 megabytes without losing the quality of the audio. So this is how to compress your audio file or music file or MP3 file with this online free tool. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.